1, 2, 3, funky.
Yo, good morning YouTube. Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Jack in the Crack. Just kidding. On this video, thank you guys for clicking on today's video, guys. I appreciate that. Thank you guys for 1,500 subscribers. I really appreciate every single one of you guys. And just wanted to say thanks. Really appreciate you guys. On today's video, I'm going to be vacuuming my carpet on my Integra. I am gonna dye the carpet. So I've been dreading this moment because to do it the right way, I need to take the whole carpet out and do it outside of the car, which is probably the route I'm gonna go. I've seen some people do it while it's in the car, but I don't really want to get dye all over my car. Let me show you guys the carpet and how messed up it is. So right now I'm just gonna vacuum it. I already have my passenger seat out. I need to take out the driver's seat so I can vacuum it all the way really good. So I might just take it out here at the car wash anyways, the carpet. So let me show you guys. All right, so as you can see, I brought my tools with me, but this is what the carpet looks like. 30-year-old carpet. Looks really ugly. So I'm gonna start by taking out this seat, guys. So step one is gonna be to take out that seat.
For old time's sake.
All right, guys, this shit's out pretty much. Look how dirty it is. Oh my god. In this car, you can see the floor right here. Needs to be pushed down because I remember when my friend had the car, kind of like he jacked it up from right there and it bowed up. Get all that shit out of the way.
Everything that happens is motivation. Everything that happens is motivation. I regard the work of motivation the most important work in the history of man. Everything that happens is motivation.
All right, guys, so there we go. I cleaned the carpet. As you can see, it's still rusty looking. And I changed my mind about the whole removing the carpet. I'm just gonna tape up around the areas where I don't want dye. I'm just honestly too lazy to take it out. And I was trying to take this plastic off and I can't get it out. So I don't want to break clips. The car's too old for that. And I'll just be careful when I'm spraying the dye. I'm gonna use a Ritz dye. I'm gonna go buy some right now. And yeah, let's go ahead, bolt the seat back on so I could go to Michael's. I could go to Walmart, but Walmart, the closest one near me, it's kind of ghetto. And they have pretty bad customer service. Everything's caged up. I don't feel like waiting, so I'm gonna just give the carpets. Actually, I'm gonna dust those off. I'm gonna dye these also, but I'm not gonna vacuum them right now. We have arrived to Michael's. Got 4 since I have to do the floor mats. $17 later. Damn, this fucking 4Runner is beautiful, dude. God damn. Sheesh. Alright guys, so we're back at the crib. This time I'm gonna tell you guys to do as I say and not as I do. I'm too lazy to physically take out the seat.
Klappat hakten alla Gullfest hela dagen Vetemjöl från livets grottekvarn Gullfest hela dagen.
Alright guys, so in this bottle I put a little bit of vinegar. Rit. And this thing has some, this sink right here has some hot ass water, so I'm not even gonna boil water. So I'll take it out. Steam coming out of it. That's how hot it is. So you need to throw this in there, and then we'll put water. I bought 4 of those little rate things just in case. Stuff is hot. I already got some on me on accident. But let me set up the tripod. Get you guys going. Oh my god, this is leaking like crazy. Fuck. Hold up. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start. Actually, let me start right here. It's just leaking like crazy. Let me put some tape on it, see if that helps. It already looks better. It looks purplish kind of, but I'm gonna just be careful like this in the small areas. Hopefully you can see what's going on. Let me go get a towel so I can clean the plastics.
Look at that, it's gonna make
Nature rolled on your side. Nature ruled on you, son, not mine.
Take patience.
Hey, look at that. It's gonna make it, huh?
Take patience.
Nature ruled on you, son, not mine.
Take patience.
Hey, look at that. It's gonna make it, huh?
Take patience.
Nature ruled on you, son, not mine.
Take patience.
Hey, look at that. It's gonna make it, huh?
There we go. Look how black that motherfucker is. Sheesh. God damn. I could have just used one. Well, literally, I just used one. I still have some left. I'm gonna just let it dry from here. I'm telling you guys, camera does not show it. Fuck, dude, this looks black. It looks beautiful. Beyond proud of myself.
Hey, look at that. It's gonna
Carpet
make it,
came
huh?
out incredible. And it's time to eat some breakfast. Alright, YouTube. Mixed up another bottle. And I already did one mat. And it came out really good, so I'm gonna do all four. This time I'm wearing gloves. Holy shit.
King of the road, trailer for sailoring. Man, trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no cigarettes, but trailer for sailoring. Give, man, me, don't pay no trailer for sailoring. Trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no trailer for sailoring. Give man of me, I know
King.
King of the road. Trailer for sailoring. of sailoring. Ain't got no secret I do. Give me, don't tell you.
Alright, y'all, this is where the video's gonna end. Hope you guys like the results. I'm extremely satisfied. Can't wait to put it back together. Just gotta let it dry. This is literally what it looks like right now. Is this dark? Literally. And I have a little something coming soon for the steering wheel. Next video will be me installing something around this area. Stay tuned for more. With that being said, guys, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
As always, thank you for watching. Go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button.